Jai Hind students, how are you? All good? Great. Okay students, let's start our class. So today I am going to explain you exercise 14.2. In this exercise we will study about mode of the given data. How to find the mode of given data. So there is a formula for finding the mode of the data. That formula is mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0, that is F0, but we will call it F0. So F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for finding the mode of the given data. Mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now the question is, what is L, F1, F0, F2 and H? How can we identify what is L, what is F1, what is F0, what is F2 and what is H? So listen very carefully. L, where L is lower limit of model class. L is the lower limit of the model class. Now question is, what is model class? Model class is a class interval. Model class is nothing. This is a class interval whose frequency is maximum. In the given data, the class interval is known as the model class whose frequency is maximum. So L is the lower limit of model class. H is class size of model class. H is the class size of model class. F1, this is frequency of model class. F0, this is the frequency of the class preceding model class. What is the meaning of this sentence? F1 is the frequency of the model class and F0 is the frequency of the class preceding model class. मतलब मॉडल क्लास से पहले वाला जो क्लास होगा उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? F0 बोलेंगे. Understood? And F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding model class. What is the meaning of this frequency of the class succeeding model class? F2 is the frequency. F2 जो होगी वो frequency होगी उस क्लास की जो मॉडल क्लास के बाद वाला क्लास होगा. Understood? So this is the formula for finding the mode. Mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula you have to learn. Where L is the lower limit of model class, F1 is the frequency of the model class, F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and H is the class size of model class. Or what is model class? Model class is a class interval having highest frequency. What is model class? Model class is a class interval having highest frequency. Understood? अब क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तब ये फार्मूला और क्लियर हो जाए. Clear? So students, pause the video and note it down. Okay students, let's start the exercise 14.2. The very first question is, the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. This data is given and question is saying find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Here we have to find mode and mean. I have already explained in my previous lecture how to find the mean of the given data. So first of all you have to find the mean of this data. So you can find out. There are three methods for finding the mean: shortcut method, assume mean method, and direct method. So this is your choice. You can solve by any method. So mean you will find out yourself. Understood? Now the second thing which we have to find here, that is mode. So how to find mode? Just see here. The given data is this: age in years and number of patients. Age in years are given 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. And the number of patients of each age group are given here. This is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and 5. So beta, first of all, we have to collect the information from this data for finding the mode. The formula of mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So first of all, we will have to collect L, H, F1, F0 and F2. But before that, we have to identify what is the model class here. I told you model class is the class interval whose frequency is highest. So frequency, that is number of patients. The second row is known as the frequency. So we have to find which one is the highest frequency. 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So you all know that this 25 is the highest frequency. Highest frequency. Is that clear? So in this 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5, 23 is highest frequency. So we have to write here class interval. Which class interval is having highest frequency? 23. किस class interval की frequency है? 35 to 45. So this class interval is known as model class. This class interval is having the highest frequency, so it is known as model class. So you have to write here class interval 35 to 45 has highest frequency. So model class is 35 to 45. Got it? Now we have to find L. What is L? L is the lower limit of the model class. Model class is 35 to 45. So I told you in the previous lecture that the very first value of the interval is known as the lower limit and the second value is known as the upper limit. So here we have to find L. L means lower limit. So what is lower limit of this model class? That is 35. So we have to write here 35. So L will be 35. Now H. H is the class size of the model class. Means the gap of this interval 35 to 45. What is the gap? That is 10. There is a difference of 10. So H is equal to 10. Now F1. F1 is what? F1 is the frequency of model class. So model class is 35 to 45. So its frequency is how much? 23. So this is F1. So F1 equals to what? 23. Now F0. F0 is what? F0 is the frequency of a class interval preceding the model class. मतलब model class से पहले वाला class. तो model class is 35 to 45. So इससे पहला class कौन सा है? 25 to 35. So इसकी जो frequency होगी, this is known as F0. Clear? Means model class से पहले वाले class की frequency. This is known as F0. So F0 equals to 21. Clear? Now the last thing which we have to find, that is F2. Or F2 is what? F2 is the frequency of the class interval succeeding the model class. Model class is this. So the class interval succeeding this is this. Means model class से आगे वाले class की frequency. तो model class का अगला class कौन सा था? 45 to 55. And its frequency is what? 14. So this is known as F2. See, sequence में होगा F0, F1 and F2. So F2 equals to 40. Simple. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will implement all these values in the formula of mode. Now we have the formula of mode. Mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 or into H. Clear? Now substitute all the values. L is 35 plus F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 upon 2F1. So 2 into F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 minus F2 is 14 into H is how much? H is 10. Clear? Now we will have to simplify this. See, 35 plus 23 minus 21, that is 2, upon 2 into 23, that is 46, minus 21 minus 14, 415, 213, so minus 35 into 10. Understood? Now see, mode equals to 35 plus 2 upon 46 minus 35. So 6 minus 5, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, that is 11 into 10. Clear? Now see, mode equals to 35 plus 2 into 10, that is 20 upon 11. Now 35 will remain same. We will divide 20 by 11. 20 by 11 we will have to divide. So you can find out the answer till the one place of decimal. 20 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. How much? 9 is left. Putting the decimal here, we will put 0. 11 8s are 88. 2 is left. So what is the answer? 1.8. Clear? We have to find this answer up to one place of decimal, or you can find out up to 2 places of decimal. This is your choice. So 35 plus, on division of 20 upon 11, we will get 1.8. Now 35 plus 1.8, we will add them. So 36.8. This is the mode of this given data. This is our final answer. Understood? Okay, let's try one more question. Till that time, pause the video and note it fast. Okay students, let's start the second question of the exercise. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. Some electrical components are there and we observed their lifetimes. So lifetimes in hours, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120. And the frequency means number of electrical items, 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. Now question is saying determine the model lifetimes of the components. We have to find model lifetimes. Model lifetime means simply we have to find the mode of this data. Understood? So let's try how to solve this question. So for finding the mode of this data, first of all we will have to find out what is the model class here. Or what is model class? I explained to you that the class interval having the highest frequency is known as model class. So see, the frequencies are 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. Which is the highest frequency? So we all can say that 61 is the highest frequency. Understood? Or if it is highest frequency, then its class interval is known as model class. So it is model class. Or this 61, this is the frequency of model class. A frequency of model class is considered as f1, and इससे पहले वाली frequency this is considered as f0, और इस f1 के आगे वाली frequency this is considered as f2. Clear? So we will have to write here class interval 60 to 80. 60 to 80 has highest frequency. So model class is 60 to 80. Or if model class is 60 to 80, so its lower limit, that is denoted by L. So what is lower limit of this data? That is 60. H is the class size. The gap of this interval 60 to 80. What is the gap in between? That is 20. So H is 20. F1 frequency of model class. So frequency of model class is 61. F0 the frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is 52. And F2 is the frequency of the class interval succeeding the model class. So इसके आगे वाली next frequency of F1, that is 38. Clear? Now the formula for finding the mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So after writing the formula, we will substitute the values of L, H, F1, F0 and F2 here. So beta L is 60 plus F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 upon 2F1. So 2 into F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 minus F2 is 38, or into H is 20. H is 20. Now we will simplify this calculation. How? 60 plus, beta 61 minus 52. 52, 8 or 1, 9. 61 minus 52 is 9. Upon 2 into 61, 122. Minus 52 minus 38, that is 90. Minus 52 minus 38. 52 and 8, 60, 30, 90. So this will be 90 into 20. Understood? Now, what we will do? Mode equals to 60 plus 9 upon 122 minus 90. 122 minus 90, that is 32. Or into H is 20. See, 20 and 32 both can be cancelled by 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 32. Clear? Now mode equals to 60 plus 9 5s are 45 upon 8. Clear? Now we will divide 45 by 8 and find the answer up to 1 decimal places or 2 decimal places. This is your choice. So 45 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. What is left? 5. We will put decimal, putting 0. 8 6 are 48. Clear? So what is the answer? 5.6. We will substitute here. So mode equal to 60 plus 45 upon 8, answer is 5.6. 5.6. Now we will add 60 and 5.6. So the mode of this data is 60 plus 5.6 is 65.6. This is the mode of this data. Is it clear? Good. Students, now there are 6 sums in this exercise 14.2. So the procedure for solving the mode of the given sums will remain same as it. Clear? So you have to try at home the remaining questions, and in some questions, question is asking about mean and mode both. So in wherever question is asking about mean and mode, you have to find both. I have already explained how to find mean, or today I have explained how to find mode. So this whole exercise you have to try at home. Got it? So we will meet again in the very next video with next topic. Till that time, stay at home, be safe, be happy, and thank you.